Have you ever heard of Noble Automotive, commonly known as Noble? If you haven't, you now will. In 2010, they had released a car with a better power-to-weight ratio than a Veyron. It was known as the Noble M600. It features a Yamaha-built 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 650 bhp. The boost builds early and doesn't fade until the V8 nears the 7,000 RPM red line. This masterpiece can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds and has a top speed of 225 mph. The car has a tubular space frame construction, making it lightweight and rigid, making the car more agile and improving handling. The body is made primarily of carbon fiber, helping to keep the car's weight low. The M600 features a 6-speed manual transmission, providing a direct and engaging driving experience. The combination of a lightweight chassis, a powerful V8 engine, and a manual transmission makes the Noble M600 a driver-focused supercar.